Well, the stage is all set for the celebrations of India's 76th Republic Day. This is a significant day for India. It honors our democratic ideals, rich history, and our enduring unity, and of course, something that binds our diverse population. Across the nation, vibrant celebrations are taking place. Grand parades and also cultural events will take place through the day. But the main attraction is, of course, the ceremonial Republic Day parade on Kartavya Path, showcasing India's achievements, progress, and its continued journey towards greater inclusion and development. Republic Day celebrations will kickstart with Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying tributes at National War Memorial at 9:30 a.m. After that, the Grand Parade begins from Raisina Hill, and it will take place along the Kartavya Path, in fact, also pass through the India Gate and also the historic Red Fort. This year's parade theme is Swarnim Bharat, Virasat and Vikas, which of course means Golden India, Heritage and Development. President Draupadi Murmu will be leading the celebrations. President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, who arrived in India on Thursday, will be the chief guest at these celebrations. My colleagues Ratnadeep and Anushka join us with more details on this. Anushka, you're reporting from the heart of Delhi today. There's a lot of security deployment. Today is one of the most important days when Delhi is, of course, in the spotlight. Tell us, what kind of security arrangements do you see around you? How is Delhi police preparing for this? And also, what is the mood like in the people of Delhi, in the minds of people of Delhi? Because they're also preparing for elections, and you know, Republic Day is coming just in the middle of that.
Well, certainly, Vasudha, I am coming to you from the Janpath Road in Delhi. Also, I'd like to show you some visuals from here. We can clearly see what kind of a security arrangement has been made. 15,000 paramilitary forces have been deployed to man all the nook and corners of Delhi. For all the viewers who are planning to come to Delhi today, it can be advised that they can, in fact, plan the journey, taking 1 to 2 hours in advance, because what we're also seeing is that the whole areas, there are 5 to 6 barricadings which people might have to cross. The car is being thoroughly checked. We're also showing you the visuals of several people who are lined up here, who are in fact waiting for the passes to arrive so that they could have a glimpse of the parade that will be soon, that is soon to be held at the Kartavya Path grounds. Now, this is the 76th Republic Day. Its theme is Golden India. And also what we are seeing is that, and what President Draupadi Murmu yesterday said in her speech is that this year, this Republic Day is special because it will be celebrating all-round progress of the young republic that India is. The Indonesian president is the chief guest this time. This is the first time that the Indonesian contingent will be taking part in the Republic Day parade. And also we are showing you the visuals from the Janpath Road. Several selfie points has been installed at different roundabouts in Delhi NCR. People have come out of their houses so that they could get a glimpse of the parade. Several of the NCC cadets are manning all the central Delhi areas. Delhi police have been deployed at several points. Traffic advisory has been given to the people. After 9:30, no public vehicle is allowed to enter at the Man Singh Road, the Bahadur Shah Zafar Road, and also at several other areas in Delhi NCR. Also, what we are seeing is that several of the metro lines like Rajiv Chowk has been closed off till the march is going on. This march will start around 9:30 when the Prime Minister will go to the National War Memorial. He'll offer flowers there, and also after the President Draupadi Murmu will be leading this whole parade in the ceremonial buggy. And also what we are seeing is that lots and lots of people, not just from Delhi NCR but also different parts of India, have come here to in fact be a part, to witness the 76th Republic Day parade that will be taking place soon. This flag will unfurl, and also we are seeing that India is about to show its military prowess, all-round progress, and several new equipment. 16 contingencies, 16 tableaus is going to be presented in this year's Republic Day parade, and people are all but excited to see how this parade goes on this year round. Now remember, this is quite a time for India to celebrate all its progress, all the defense military prowess that it can showcase in the public platform. The world will see how diverse India is, and in terms of that, cultural programs are to be held. 300 artists from all across the country are about to participate here. The defense and military personnel are in fact about to participate and showcase the prowess of India in the military part also. And in a few minutes the parade is about to start, and people are
so yet there's a lot of excitement there. Thank you, Anushka.